Is your MetaQuest dying before you even finish a single session? It is incredibly frustrating when your headset hits 15% just as things are getting good. Don't worry, I am going to show you exactly how to squeeze every last drop of power out of your Quest right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you stay in the virtual world for much longer. The MetaQuest 3 and Quest Pro are power-hungry beasts. Between the high-resolution displays, mixed reality cameras, and heavy tracking sensors, the battery takes a massive hit. But with a few advanced tweaks, you can easily extend your playtime. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Enable battery saver mode. Navigate to your system settings and then to power. Toggling this on reduces the brightness and optimizes the processor to save immediate juice. Step 2. Lower your display brightness. Open your quick settings and slide the brightness down to around 50%. You will barely notice the difference in VR, but your battery definitely will. Step 5. Turn off the auto wake feature. In the power settings, disable the option that wakes the headset when it senses movement. This prevents the Quest from turning on inside your carrying case and draining to zero. Step 4. Adjust the auto sleep timer. Set your headset to sleep after 15 seconds of inactivity. This ensures that the screens and tracking sensors shut down the moment you take the device off your head. Step 5. Reduce the refresh rate. If you are playing casual games, drop your refresh rate from 120 Hz down to 72 or 90 Hz. This significantly reduces the workload on the graphics chip. Step 6. Disable hand tracking when using controllers. If you are using your touch controllers, go to movement tracking and turn off hand tracking. This stops the cameras from constantly scanning for your gestures. Step 7. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when playing offline. If you are playing a single-player game that does not require an internet connection, disabling these radios will save a massive amount of power. Step 8. Avoid using pass-through mode for long periods. Mixed reality features use all the external cameras and heavy processing. Switching back to a standard virtual environment uses much less energy. Step 9. Close unused background apps. Double tap the Meta button to see your open windows. Close the browser or any other apps running in the background to free up system resources. Step 10. Manage your charging habits. Avoid leaving your Quest on the charger for days at a time once it hits 100%. This helps maintain the long-term health and capacity of the internal lithium-ion battery. Here is a pro tip for the serious gamers. Invest in a dedicated 20-watt power bank or a battery head strap. To keep the internal battery from draining while playing, you need a power source that outputs at least 20 watts to keep up with the power draw. If you face any difficulty with these settings, please leave a comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. If these tips helped you stay in VR longer, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes. You are now ready for those marathon gaming sessions. I will see you in the next one.